Alright, let's get straight to it. You're here because you've seen those flashy Cozyllo heater ads promising to save you big bucks this winter, right? But is it legit, or just another internet scam? Let me lay out the facts. First, user reviews from sites like Trustpilot and Product Review are sounding the alarm. The top complaint: this thing barely heats anything. People say it's basically a cheap fan disguised as a miracle heater. So if you're hoping to warm up your living room, you'll be waiting a long, cold time. But it gets worse. The advertising is seriously misleading. They claim this little plug-in can heat up massive spaces or even cool them. Seriously, some ads push it as a cooler too, under names like Epicooler. Spoiler: it does neither. Now, let's talk customer service. Reviewers call it pitiful. Trying to get a refund? Good luck finding a return address, and don't be surprised if they offer shady discounts to make you keep the product. Some people were even charged for extra heaters they never wanted, thanks to sneaky checkout pages. Here's where it gets scary. Safety experts from Choice warn these mini plug-in heaters are fire and electrical hazards. In fact, in late 2023, some countries outright banned them for failing basic safety standards. So, not only are they useless, they could be dangerous. Bottom line, the Cozyllo heater is one to avoid. Don't risk your money or your safety on a product with such a shady reputation. Instead, stick with brands vetted by sources like Wired or Consumer Reports, ones with real safety certifications and actual positive reviews.